To make a character talk in FlockXR, you need to go to Text and then grab the Say block. And I'm going to add that underneath and just check my character is called Character 2 and I am making Character 2 talk. So if I just press play now, then the character says hello because that is what is in the box. I could put, hi, I am a monkey. And I can change the background color of that text. I can change the actual color of the text. So you can see what that looks like there. You've got alpha, so you can do 0.2 if you want it to be transparent. That might be 2. Oh no, that's quite nice actually. So you can choose different alpha amounts there. You can also change the size. So you might want it to be 15 just so that it's a little bit smaller. Now, if I duplicate this block to add in some more words, so maybe it's I like being in 3D, just have a look at what happens. So this one has start at the end and this one has start at the end. So that means that when you have start at the end, the next block starts straight away. So you can see there that it has added it underneath like that. But if I change this to await and this to await, then what it'll do is it'll wait for 3 seconds because that's how long that block lasts, and then it'll go to the next one. So depending on how you want to use your say block, those are the different options that you have.